Hi, I'm Christine, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of Rent the Runway. So, the background on it is that I got an unlimited subscription to Rent the Runway for 1 month because I had a ton of cool events to go to and I wanted to wear special clothes. And then the coronavirus/COVID-19 struck and all of the events have been canceled. So, I have these gorgeous dresses. Why not show you a little tour, little review, little unboxing? So I got 4 dresses to start, and you can rotate them as many times as you want. I already returned 2 dresses, and then I still have 2 from the original package, the very first order I got. I put the little box in the mail, and 2 more dresses arrived a few days ago. So I haven't yet opened them, so I'm going to kind of try them on and review them here. And full disclosure, I did not pay full price for my first month. A friend, Rebecca, gave me a voucher. So normally unlimited is $159 a month, but I got $100 off using her referral code. So I am going to try to figure out how to do a referral code below for you so that you can try it too and see if you like it. So I am going to start with the dresses I've already tried on, and I'm going to put them on for you and do a little twirl, and then I will open up the new ones. So the older ones are a little glam. Get ready. Here we go. So this first one was a little black dress I was planning on wearing out swing dancing. It's a little bit cute, but I definitely was going to wear shorts underneath it, and it's got a few little statement-y pieces. So you start just enjoying the back detailing, nice little cutouts. And then, as you turn around, woo, it's got a little extra slit up there. What's really nice is that there is a lining right under here, so there's no actual risk of having an improper night. And I love it. And it's really, really thick fabric, so it probably would have been very warm to dance in. But yeah, dress number 1. I will put a link below to all of the specific dresses from this try-on. On to dress number 2. Okay, dress number 2 is definitely the showstopper. I wore this to my birthday party, which was just barely not canceled, although a lot of people had to cancel because of fear of death. But we snuck in one last party at the last minute, and I was able to wear this little number. Oh my God. I absolutely love it. It is all sequins. On the close-up, you can see it's a black dress with silver sequins all over. It's messing up with the camera's lighting. I absolutely love it. And it has a little snap here so you can make it a little less modest, which I'm not going to show here. But yeah, I'm actually considering maybe buying this one. You can buy anything after you get it if you want to at a very, very steep discount. So maybe we'll see. All right, let me grab the package and I can unbox the rest. Okay, so this package arrived a few days ago, and I flipped around my address so that you don't know where I live. But basically, it's this nicely made fabric garment bag with some zippers. And when you unzip it, I hope they packaged it the same way as the last one. All right, perfect. So it is absolutely the best design. It has these 2 straps so that you can use it as a tote bag. Ah, so smart. And then on the inside here, they have a return shipping label. I did not just drop everything. It also has the instructions on the different ways you can return it. So you can pack it up and zip it up and ship it. You can go to one of their drop box locations. Got it. Nailed it. Or by me out in the suburbs, you can go to any UPS drop box. And then it has the return label already prepaid and everything on the back. On the inside, oh, big bag. The garments are on hangers, and they are in little protected bags, and they're clean. So once you're done with those items, you keep the plastic bag that I definitely have thrown over there, and the hanger, and you put it back in the garment bag and zip it up. They clean it. They deal with it. You do not. So I'm going to go put these on and give them a twirl. Hopefully they fit. And yeah, see you on the other side. Dress number 3. So I got this one to go swing dancing on St. Patrick's Day. So it's green and it's swishy and very, very swing dance friendly. I unfortunately will not be doing any dancing outside the house, so I'll probably wear this to maybe record some little dance tutorial videos in my house. So, dress number 3. Oh, that doesn't look like it in real life. Let's make it brighter. Yeah, it's much more green in person than it's showing up on the camera. Very, very nice thick material for extra swoosh. Last but perhaps least, we have dress number 4, which might be proof that I don't look good in everything I wear. So you can tell up close and probably not at a distance, but it's got orange and pink stripes, and that's what it looks like in real life. When I back up, you probably won't be able to see them at all. And it's got a giant cutout. Actually looks really cute at a distance, but you definitely can't tell that there is this giant cutout. Like, can you see that? Oh, and it is rolling a little. So, yeah, it goes almost all the way around. And my problem is the lining is showing, but more so, my skin tone is just way too close in color to this dress. So it just looks like I'm wearing a very light pink dress, and you completely miss the fact that there's supposed to be something happening. The floof is real cute, a little wrinkled, but I mean, nothing a little steam wouldn't fix. It doesn't really spin like the last one, but it's definitely going for drama in other ways. So, here's dress number 4. So, what are my final thoughts? At $159 a month, the unlimited is pretty steep. However, they do have programs that go down to $69 a month. I think that one's new. And you get a certain number of swaps. So let's say you're only planning on having the 4 out at a time, but only swapping out 2 of them, so 6 total pieces. That, I think, is more economical for more people. Me living out in the suburbs, it means that I'm always going to be using the drop-off option, whereas a lot of my friends who live in DC or Chicago, where they have Rent the Runway stores, when they want to look at new pieces, they just go into the store with their old dresses and then swap them out on the spot. I have to put it in the box. It'll take about a day to get registered back in, and then I will take another day to ship out a new piece. So if you're looking for something fast, having that store as an option makes it a little better a deal for you. That said, I tried this for like $60, so definitely worth it for the trial. And I hope that if you're interested in trying it, you'll click or copy or paste whatever. I'll put it in the description below. And would I do it again? Absolutely. If I have an event coming up, I will either do a single month or I will order dresses a la carte. You can rent a single dress for like, I think the lowest one is about $30, up to several hundred for the gowns. So yeah, if you're just like, I want to wear a cute sequiny thing, maybe do a single one-time thing. So I hope this was helpful. I didn't ramble too much. Got a few different pieces. Let me know your thoughts, and you'll probably see another video or two from Rent the Runway collections on here from me, because I got this whole month and I have nowhere to wear these. So YouTube. Take care.